What is going on, guys? Welcome to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can start high ticket affiliate marketing in 2024. So let me check if I have some comments. Okay, so we are like, okay. So first of all, let me show you quickly my results. I promote high ticket products. So affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products, and we can make a commission if someone buys the product from our affiliate links. And as you can see in the screen, these are my latest payments for this product, Freedom Accelerator. So let me scroll down and check this out. I have been making commissions by promoting this product. So for example, $454, $128, $135, and so on and so forth. I'm making commissions every single month. So sometimes I make more commissions and sometimes I make less commissions. But the thing here is that I have a system that is working for me, and this is a system that works 24/7. And now let me show you the product that I'm promoting. So it's this one, Freedom Accelerator, and basically I promote this product through the 72-hour challenge, which is the low ticket product. Now the high ticket product, as you can see on the screen, these are all the lessons. So it has 4 phases, and this product was created by Jonathan Montoya, who has a good results in the affiliate marketing space. And so basically he teaches how to build the 4 phases to freedom, and we can do that by promoting high ticket products and supporting offers. So basically on this training he teaches, let me show you quickly. So we need to choose a main core offer, and once we have chose that main core offer, we need to choose supporting offers. Supporting offer number 1, supporting offer number 2, supporting offer number 3 and 4. And I'm going to show you the system that I'm using to promote multiple high ticket products and supporting offers. So once we have built that system, we need to start sending traffic to it, and that is why in all of these lessons you can see that, for example, from this lesson, how to create 5 and 15-second short videos, how to use faceless artificial intelligence videos, how to use Instagram, how to use Facebook Reels, how to use DM, and one of the most powerful phases on this training is how to use YouTube to generate leads as a generating traffic machine. So basically I studied all this training and I put this knowledge into practice, and basically that is how I'm making commissions. I need to work more on phase number 3, how to increase my conversion. So I'm getting sales, but my conversions are kind of low. And then on phase number 4 is how to automate and scale the business. And so let me show you this software. So the name is Funnel Freedom, and I'm going to click here on affiliate link settings, because basically this is the magic of this software. And why am I saying that? Well, it's because, check this out, I have here my affiliate links for all of these products, the 72-hour challenge, Free Accelerator, and I just copy and pasted my affiliate links for these products inside of this page. So I'm promoting Legendary Marketer. This is a high ticket product. I'm promoting as well Free Accelerator. This is my main core offer, and I'm promoting software such as Funnel Freedom, I'm promoting System.io, I'm promoting Get Response, Udemy, and all of these are my supporting offers. And so the way that I'm using to make, let me show you, these commissions, guys, is that I'm sending traffic to a sales funnel. So instead of sending traffic to my affiliate links, so these are all the products that I'm promoting. So instead of sending traffic to all of those links, what I'm doing is that I'm sending traffic to a simple page to capture the name and the email of a prospect that wants more information about the products that I'm promoting. And basically, let me show you. I'm utilizing this funnel. The name is Freedom Ascension, mapping your 9 to 5 exit strategy. And so this funnel is for people who want to start an affiliate business from complete scratch and quit their 9 to 5 job. And Jonathan Montoya created this funnel, and what I'm doing is that I'm driving traffic to this page. So when people see this page, they will read this title, they will see this information, and they will read here free course. And I have as well my own picture because I'm building my own personal brand in the make money online space. And when people click this button, I can collect the name, the email address, and their phone number if they want. And I'm interested on collecting this information because basically the more emails we collect as affiliate marketers, and if we have good copywriting skills, we can make more commissions. So that is the main reason, because once I have collected that information, I can promote multiple affiliate products and offers. So, and all the people who opting in the information inside of that opt-in page, Funnel Freedom, which is this software, so this is like an all-in-one marketing platform. Funnel Freedom is going to send a free course, and let me show you quickly the free course. And I'm using this free course as a lead magnet. So the lead magnet is something that we need to give, we as affiliate marketers, in exchange for the email, because people are not going to put their information just because we write in our opt-in pages, hey, put your best information. You need to give something in exchange for the email. And so Jonathan Montoya created this free course for his affiliates so we can give away this lead magnet for free. And I'm collecting emails with this funnel, guys. And so when someone write their information inside of that opt-in page or capture page, Funnel Freedom is going to send this free course through email, and people are going to receive this inside of their inbox. And so they will go here and they will watch all the lessons, and when they scroll down, they will find these buttons. For example, here it says join the 72-hour freedom challenge. And when people click this, for example, if people click this button, people will be clicking my affiliate link. And that is how I'm promoting high ticket products. So more specifically with the free course, I'm promoting Freedom Accelerator. So check this out. Here we have more buttons, so people can join the Facebook group. Here they can access the 72-hour freedom challenge. And if we go, for example, to part number 7, and if I scroll down, check this out. I'm promoting here the software Funnel Freedom. I'm promoting as well Freedom Accelerator. So when people click these buttons and click these two buttons, so they will be clicking my affiliate links. And basically that is how I'm promoting products, guys. So another thing that I'm doing to promote all of those products that I just showed it to you is that Funnel Freedom, this software, is going to start sending emails. And inside of the emails, people are going to find my affiliate links for all those products, for the high ticket products and the supporting offers. So check this out. Right now I click here on automation because I'm going to show you right now the nurturing sequence. So those are emails that Funnel Freedom is sending right now to my email list. So check this out. Here I have 65 people enrolled on the welcome sequence. I have 58 people enrolled on the first 80-day nurturing sequence. So they add more emails to this sequence because it was a 60-day when I bought this done for you system. And so basically this is a done for you because I didn't write any of these emails. So I'm just sending traffic to the funnel, to the opt-in page, and all the people who write their information, they will start receiving first of all the free course, and then they will start receiving all the emails in which I'm promoting all of those products. For example, so check this out. Here I have, so this is an example. So Funnel Freedom is going to wait for 2 days to send this supporting offer number 2, which is legendary marketer. Then it's going to wait for 1 day to send the legendary marketer review. And inside of those emails, people are going to find my affiliate links. For example, as you can see, I have here 2 people waiting on this step. So these 2 people are waiting 2 days, and then Funnel Freedom is going to send the next email. And by using this system, I'm promoting all of those products. And as you can see, I have here all these emails that my email list is receiving at this moment. So I didn't write all this stuff. So as you can see, it takes time and effort, guys, to build an automated sales system like this one. So you can do this by yourself if you want. You can utilize, for example, GetResponse and ClickFunnels, or you can utilize System.io to build something like this. An opt-in page to collect emails and then write all the email sequence to promote multiple affiliate products and offers. Now, one of the coolest things about Funnel Freedom is that, check this out, I have connected here my Instagram, TikTok account, and Facebook page. So I'm going to click here on marketing because we can do a lot of stuff with this software. And what I can do here is that I can schedule automatically post for my social media channels. So this is my Facebook fan page, this is my Instagram, and this is my TikTok channel. And I can click here on new posts, and I can create a new post. And what I can do is that I can utilize Funnel Freedom to schedule all my posts. For example, I can choose here in which social media I want to schedule the post. For example, let's say that I'm going to use my Facebook page, and I can write all the content, and I can schedule all the posts. So, and this is critical because for affiliate marketers like us, so we can utilize this software to promote information in our social media platforms. For example, let me show you. I'm going to click here on this gear so you can see that we can connect our LinkedIn account and our Twitter and TikTok. So these are like the available in Google My Business. So these are the social media that are available right now to connect with funnelfreedom.io. And another thing that I'm going to show you right now is that I created an automation workflow for my Instagram. So what is that? So basically, when someone sends a message into my Instagram, Funded Freedom has the messages that the person is going to get. So check this out. This workflow. And I created this workflow today. So when someone write a message inside of my Instagram inbox, Funded Freedom is going to, first of all, check this out, send this message. Hey, I'm excited to help you quit your 9-to-5 job. I have a free part series, and what I'm doing here is that I'm giving that person my link for the free course. So this link redirects to the opt-in page that I will show it to you later. So I can collect the email and the name of the prospect. And so then Funded Freedom is going to wait 1 minute and it's going to send the second message on Instagram. And this message is, by the way, that is the main reason you reach out today. Why do you want financial and time freedom? Then it's going to wait for 1 hour to send the last message. And this is very cool, guys, because I have this automated Instagram messaging that is inside of Funded Freedom. This is a really cool tool that we can utilize to promote. So basically, once I have that information, the information of the content is going to appear here on my contact tabs inside of Funded Freedom. So moving on, after building this automated sales system, it's important to drive traffic to it. And one of my main traffic sources is YouTube. So what I'm doing is simple, guys. I'm creating all of this content. For example, I'm sharing my own results. So I'm going to scroll down because I have here all these YouTube shorts in which I'm documenting my own journey. For example, check this out: day 100, day 146, day 145, day 144, and I'm uploading those same videos on my Instagram account and my TikTok account. So I'm documenting my whole journey by doing affiliate marketing, and I'm sharing the struggles, I'm sharing my success stories, and all those things that I think that it's really important for people to understand if they want to start promoting other people's products, because it takes time, guys, to start getting these results. So I'm making these results and it's taking me time, guys. Another thing that I'm doing is that I'm creating video reviews. For example, I have created a YouTube review for the software, Funded Freedom Review. So check this out. So when people search these keywords on YouTube, I am going to have a high probability to appear in the search results. And check this out. This video has 156 views. The next one, 91 views. And that is how I'm driving traffic. And I have a Funded Freedom Data Joe tutorials list inside of my YouTube channel. And basically, I'm creating all of this content. And when people go to my links in the description of my YouTube videos, and if they click those links, they will be clicking the links of my funnels. And basically that is how I'm collecting leads, guys, every single day. And I'm growing my email list. Another tip that it's important if you have a YouTube channel is to put here your own domain. So because this is going to help you like have a more personal brand for your YouTube channel. But it's important to put here a link of one of your funnels or your main funnel, because I'm collecting leads when people click this funnel, this domain. So it appears a funnel, and that is how we can collect leads. And so basically, guys, those are my strategies on how I'm doing high-ticket affiliate marketing. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Also subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell. Talk to you soon, and God bless.